50 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. And the war is still going on. Shame, shame, shame. Alright. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 30th, 2024. We have 1 day to go till end of this year, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left, the binary puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with the binary puzzle number 9815. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. That's a lot for binary. 1, 2, 3. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 4 ones. That means the 5th one should be in one of these 3 boxes. If I place it in one of these, in the other boxes, then we will have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So these 3 should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Okay. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. And we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have the 5th one, so that box should be an O. Then, let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then between the ones comes an O. Come on, come on, come on. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's. Here one, there one. Now I'm stuck. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's, here one, there one. 5 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, cannot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between this O is an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. The ones, here no, there no. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between this O is an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, or there. Well, we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. Question is, which row? Which even number 1 here. This one. And that one. All right. Let me compare. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Okay. Now here, we have a double 1 here. We have a double 1. We have a double 1 here. It's not the same. The one here, it's not the same here. So we cannot compare the rows. How about the columns? We have a double O here. No double O's. We have a double O here. Here we have a double O's. This one. Okay. So this column and the third column, let me compare. Empty box. 0011 0011110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. And double O's here, 1, there, 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 7 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.